Today's episode is very interesting because one, we are trying out someone else's recipe, and two, I'm not adjusting it in any way. This recipe is highly inspired by @Kylie. I'm going to link her in the description box. You can check out her channel and find the original recipe. I'm making a chocolate cake with some whipped cream frosting, and for my ingredients, I've just halved them. For example, she used 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to be using 1.5. She used 1 cup of sugar, and I'm going to be using half a cup of sugar. Then I have some cocoa powder. I have some baking soda, I have some salt, some cooking oil, some vanilla essence, some vinegar, and finally you'll need some warm coffee. One thing about this recipe is that it doesn't have baking powder, and from my knowledge, an acid and a base acts as a raising agent as well. So you need some vinegar and some bicarbonate of soda, or you can also call this baking soda depending on what is written on the packet, one and the same thing. And without further ado, let's get started. We are going to start by making our coffee, and you'll need about a cup of warm coffee, not hot or cold coffee. It strictly says warm coffee. Then I'm going to mix this till the coffee is well dissolved, and the simplicity of this recipe, it just involves mixing the dry and the wet. So we are going to mix the wet in one bowl and the dry in another bowl, then we can mix them, and that's pretty much it. So I'll proceed to bake this. She says that you should bake it at an oven preheating at 200 degrees for about 40 minutes, but I'm pretty sure my oven can't handle 200 degrees, so I'm going to be baking at the usual 170 degrees for about the same amount of time. Then I'll see you for frosting. This is such a delicious cake recipe. You should try it out. It's very rich and very decadent, just how I like it. And I'm pretty sure you're going to love it once you try it out. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.